What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're well. We're going to go over BTC. We're seeing some nice movement, sitting at 27.2, up 2% on the day. See market cap 529 billion, 24-hour volume 10.43 billion. So we started to break this trend line on this chart here, which can be taken as a bullish signal. There is definitely the chance for impulse. We have confirmation of a turnaround. Definitely if we can break the wave 4 high at 28.2K. Of course, we can still be going through a correction. I'm still quite hesitant. But if we can complete a 5-wave move, then I'd look to get in on that pullback, on that wave 2 pullback. So far we got 1, 2. Looks like we're pushing up into 3. We broke the trend line. So we'll see if we get an impulse up to the 1.618. If we retest before that happens, if we were to come down, retest, and then we bounce, we could be looking at a leading diagonal wave 1 because I'm seeing that on other charts. So I was talking about 27.2K as well being a major level of resistance to break. So that would be another bullish signal. It's currently what we're testing, 27.2 bullish divergence on the daily, and the money flow are playing out. So it can break 27.2, 27.3. That's another signal for the bulls of a potential continuation to the upside. But really, if we can come all the way up and break this high at 27.7, we have that nice double bottom. That would be really strong confirmation. You are going to see continuation up. DXY still looks like it's going to come down. We're sitting in our heavy resistance zone. Come down in the wave B, which would give more confluence to Bitcoin seeing that breakout. I'm remaining cautious for now until we can complete the 5-wave impulse, because we can still be going through the correction, roll over, and see continuation down. But if we see that 5-wave impulse, and then I'll look to get in on the pullback, and we start to get above 27.3K, that would be another bullish signal. If we get rejected, we roll over, we create a lower low. It is what it is, and we'll have to cross that bridge when it comes. This is just what I'm looking at for right now for BTC. So if you want access to my signals, it's $10 a month. You spend $10 every single day. You can receive a 14-day free trial if you sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN. For my US American traders dying for an exchange, only my subscribers get 20% bonus with however much they deposit into their futures account. $100, you get $20. $1,000, you get $200. And the 14-day free trial to my signals. Otherwise, my signals are $10 a month for daily crypto analysis for many coins. My exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, Forex signals analysis. Currently in a trade for gold, trade for silver. We have trades for other pairs as well. So you can trade Forex and crypto with me, $10 a month, or grab the 14-day free trial. All links are down below in the comment section. Please do check them out, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.